Hi there, can I get everyone's attention please to the projector screen? Thank you. Now, can any of you in the crowd tell me what this code actually means? Yes? No? That's okay. You know why that's okay? It's only 0.05%, yes, you heard that right, 0.05% of the world knows what this code actually does and are able to read it. Hi, my name is Erik Augustyn, and today I'll be talking about computer programming and why you should learn how to code. So first, I'm going to start with some history and the importance of programming. Then I'll go on to what programming is and why you should start to learn to code. So, beginning. All started in 1883 when Ada Lovelace created an algorithm for the analytical engine. What did the analytical engine do? Well, it just computed Bernoulli numbers. But this algorithm was actually considered to be the first computer programming language created. Now, I'm going to start and talk to you about Alan Turing. Alan Turing was a very, very smart man. He was a mathematician, a logician, a cryptanalyst. He was born in London, UK on June 23rd, 1912. He was known as a computer pioneer. He was best known for the Turing test, but little did people know he had a huge impact on World War II. And in World War II, he actually helped solve the Enigma. If any of you guys have seen the movie The Imitation Game, it explains it all in there. If you haven't, well, the Enigma was actually a machine used by the German Nazis to encrypt messages and to send it to their other stations across the world. Little did they know, though, that the British and the Polish were intercepting these messages and actually tried to decipher them. And the British intelligence group created this group of people composed of mathematicians, puzzle solvers, logicians, the best chess players in the world even. So they created this group to actually try to decipher the Enigma. And they did this by using a machine called the bomb, which is an electromechanical device that actually helps create an algorithm for them to solve the Enigma. And Alan Turing was able to use the bomb to actually solve the Enigma and helped the British and the Americans lead to victory in World War II. So, some more history. In 1989, World Wide Web was created. In 1991, the first website was created. In 2000, 412 million users were already on the World Wide Web. By 2016, though, that number reached a whopping 3.4 billion users. That's right, 3.4. On my left, you can see a chart here showing the computer programming languages used in 1965, and on my right, you can see the computer programming languages used today in 2019. Well, as you can see, none of these languages overlap because none of these languages used then are efficiently used now. Back then, as you can see, assembler was a language used, and it's not on the right-hand side, but I do know that people still use assembler code nowadays, but it's just not the most efficient way to learn how to code. Most efficient way would be using Python or Java, something easier to learn, but those are the codes that are actually the programming languages that are used today. So, what is code? Code is a set of instructions forming a computer program which is then executed by the computer. It is one of two components of the software which runs on your computer, and the second component being data. So coding is essentially when you are writing something on a computer to do something, you are coding, you are programming it to do something. Where is programming used? It is used everywhere. It's used from Tesla autonomous vehicles all the way to automated toilets, which really depends. Anything technological nowadays, anything with a little chip or anything, 99% of the time, it's going to have some sort of programming in it to tell what to do. Okay. Now, I have a chart here, as you can see, for for the demand for computer scientists. And in the gray, that is the actual amount of computer science graduates. The orange is the number of computer jobs related to computer science fields that are available. As you can see, big difference from orange to gray. So, is it really worth learning? Yes, it's used everywhere today. It's absolutely worth learning. 8 out of the top 25 jobs this year are tech positions. As many as 7 million job openings in 2015 required you to know some sort of coding language. Programming jobs are currently growing 12% faster than the market average. Programming is used to code and create your own websites, and it also allows you to present ideas through prototypes on the computer rather than in PowerPoint. So now I'm going to talk to you about supply and demand of software engineers. Here's a chart, and as you can see, only goes up. The demand of software engineers is only going to go up. The tech industry is only going to get bigger and bigger. Programmers will be used every day and for the rest of life, and as they are today. So, what are some effects of programming on your mind? Well, improves memory, improves cognitive ability, and also improves problem-solving skills. As you can see here, there's a picture of an MRI of how the brain is actually functioning when someone is reading and understanding the code. As you can see in the orange, there are multiple areas of the brain lighting up when someone is reading and understanding code. It shows really how diverse it is. So now that I've talked about the history and importance, I've talked to you about what coding actually is and why you should code. Now I'm telling you, go learn some code. Go on Code Academy, sign up online for free. It takes 10 minutes. You can learn some Python or anything in an hour if you want. So that's all for my presentation today. Any questions?